Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to the channel Logos World. Today's I will go for a nice thing which is pictorial logo. So let's start and make some pictorial logo. So first of all we have to create a new page, a new template where I will add the logo. Today I will take 1280 pixels into 720 pixels. So create it. It will take some time. Let's wait. I'm waiting. Yeah, here you can see. Let's see. Yeah, we got the artboard. So first of all, pictorial board. Yeah, it will be the ocean and the sun. This is my idea of today's logo. So let's start and make some logo. So first of all, I will go for the elliptical. I will add here. Sorry, elliptical here. You can see I make an elliptical here over here, and I will decrease stroke here, decrease stroke, and give a color of it. Which color will be the perfect? I take the ocean blue. I'll take the ocean blue here. So here. mm, I'll take the paint tool. Uh, okay, and I will give a stroke here, one stroke. Okay, then okay. Now make a shade. So now I will go for any color. Mm, it will be the ocean blue too. So take the ocean blue and I will here cut some portion. I will cut some portion here. So uh, uh, make a shape builder tools here. Alter, cut it down, and this. Sorry, and it will be okay. Uh, sorry, this part. No, this part and this part. Okay. Yes, I got it. Yes, I got it. And now, um, which yeah, here I will take another paint tool here. Sorry. Yeah. Another paint tool. Sorry. Yes. Then make it, and bake it. Okay. Now I will give a color. It will also be the ocean blue. So take this, and I will. Sorry, I made a mistake here. Okay. Now, okay. Now I will cut it down this portion, how it look. I think it's look pretty good. And to now I will go for a very unique things, which, sorry, mm, here, okay, no, I will take this, mm, yes, this, and this. Now, uh, I will, here you can see, I will cut it down, this portion. Here you can see, okay, and every part is different from the other. You can see here I make a part, so I will change its color. Its color should be the um, here deep blue, and this side should be the this color, this should this. and now, and this color should be the um, this blue will be the lighter blue, so this, and it it will be the this, no, lighter, it will be the lighter here, and now I will make it the colorful. It will be the more color, see, and this. Okay, 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 like this, and here I sorry, here here is a stroke, so I will out of out this stroke, and this stroke should be the 0. Here you can see I made a fusion here, how it look like now. And now see, let's see, sorry, I will change here something. It's a different thing. So now I will make a sun. Um, this is perfect. This is the perfect sun, and it should be the color of, sorry, yellow, and this side will be the red. This side will be red here. Now see which this side, if I make it yellow, then how it look like? No. Okay. Okay. See, make it 90. Make it 90, and it will be the gradient. Which color? Mm, this color will be the yellow, and this color will be the red, and I will make a brightness here. Make a brightness here. Here, here. So let's make. I will copy of it. Make a copy. Copy. Okay. It will be the to the back, and its opacity. I will decrease its opacity. Uh, yes. its color should be the red, and this side will be the yellow. Then how it look like? Then here, it will be the group. Okay, it's nice. It's nice, and I will arrange it back, arrange it to the back. Now, how it look like? I think it's look a pretty good logo. It will be named the Sun and Ocean Sun, and this logo is very good to see. And this is the logo. This is the logo. You can see here, and this is it. Today's class is at the end. I will show you the more things on the next class. Please join with us. Do subscribe our channel, like, comment, and share, please. And if you join with us, then you will get the more lesson on this channel. So join with us to subscribe and click the bell button and the show links. It will be the very beneficial for you. Thank you all. Assalamu alaikum.